Cumbus heard you are having emotions. She's sorry to hearth it. She will lead you through a guided meditation. You are in a sunlit dressing room. There is a towel lady wrapped in cotton. She is resting and unmade. And a fancy lady, she is ready and composed. They see each other and nod, not as opposites, but as old friends. Each one has been the other before, each one will be the other again. Some days softness is your power, and some days polish is your shield. Neither one is more right. Let yourself be both. Let yourself be all of you. Very cool.